Hey friends, Zen Cooney here. Short sticks, short staffs. These are 36-inch ones. You can get them at most hardware stores. Sand them, oil them, and they're ready to go. We're going to use them in this video, which is a regression video. So we're going to go back to early times. And this is for people who either have damaged their knees, ankles, or hips, or have some problem getting up and down from the ground, either from injury or just from a sedentary lifestyle, and you want to start getting yourself being able to get up and get down from the floor again. In other words, regain the highly functional use of your legs so that you can walk through your life, your whole life, and dance through your whole life. I remember years, anyway, I like to throw these little stories in because I want you to know that I am teaching for real people. So not specialists, not high skilled level people, although I have people like that. I am teaching here on YouTube for just regular everyday folks that want to get out and get moving, because movement is for everybody. So we're going to take the sticks up near the ends and we're going to use them as assistants. Now I've shown this with a longer staff, but I'm going to show you a different move today. So give myself a little space here with no rocks, I hope. And what we're going to do is stick them down the ground. We're going to get that hip hinge going, and then we're just going to step back and then step back with the other leg. All right. So what this does is just gives you a little stability here, right? So if you start to go over to one side, you can catch yourself. Now, a lot of people that I've trained have really benefited from using short sticks or the longer sticks. It's given them not only a greater sense of safety and stability as they were rejuvenating themselves, but also I got to show them all sorts of other fun things you can do with sticks. So here's the movement we're going to do. We're going to put the sticks out a little wider. We're going to bring one leg forward. All right. We'll put those sticks actually forward, and we're just going to lunge and push back. So if it starts to hurt, we can put our foot out a little wider. You can use your staff or your sticks to take up some of that pressure. Now, you can put your leg out to the side. You see that I've got the toe pointed out to the side. And again, stabilizing yourself with your sticks. Just doing a little work like so. All right, let's just knock out the same thing on the other side. So put a foot forward, get a little lunging going on. I'm also going back. Here I'm forward, here I'm pushing back. Put the leg out a little bit wider. I can open it up a little bit more. Come back. All right. So, we also did out to the side, didn't we? So we got to the side. We can bring the foot in closer. You explore, where do you feel it the strongest? What feels the best to you? And then you can find spots where you need more work and work around there. You can move the knee in and out. But all the time you've got these sticks for stability. Now, another thing you can do is leg comes forward, and then you're going to cross and bring the knee down. Then back up, put the leg back. Leg forward, knee down to the ground, and back up. Now, what you'll find is that there are many little tricks to the trade of getting this movement. So let me show it to you more slowly. So here I am here. I want to use my sticks for support so I'm not flopping all over the place. I'm going to take this leg. Look what I'm doing. I'm just bringing my knee in closer to my center line. And then move the thigh. So I'm coming towards the side and then lower that knee down. Okay? Now, while you're here, you can twist a little bit and just see how that is for you. But mostly it's just the actual movement itself. So there's with it just going right across into that position. Here's more of a beginning level. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, once you become stronger with it, you might want to go ahead and give it an experiment of doing it without the sticks. Just have your hands ready in case you need to catch yourself. So, you got 1. Now the tricky part comes when you're going to lower this knee down, all right? So, just be aware of that. So you want to keep a nice firm connection here in the, basically sort of the standing leg, and then take that down. There you go. So now the trick is coming up from there. Now I'm also, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm on a little decline down, so it's a little bit more challenging. So back up and down. Up and down. Okay, so here again, you can move around a little bit, just get a sense of what that feels like, and then you're going to come up. Okay, so next progression would be what? To skip the 1, 2 and go right into 2, boom, and right back up. And then now some of you may have seen the video where I'm holding a kettlebell and doing that. Don't start off with that, obviously. All right. Now, the other thing that you can do, I'm going to clear a little bit here. There's a big hassock, so we'll see if we can get over that. Kind of get some of the rocks out of the way. You do not want to drive your knee into a rock. So with your sticks again, remember this is a progression at this point. So make sure you can do the movement before you do this one, the initial movement. So we've got 1. No problem. We got 2, but now what we're going to do is we're going to take the other leg and come up. The back leg then switches and we come down forward with this leg. Move your sticks forward. Step this leg forward. Let this leg rotate in the back. Lower the knee down. Then back. Now what we can do is actually start to come backward with this. So we can just walk ourselves back. I just don't want to get out of frame here. Okay, so let's take a look at it, what it looks like. So we come up, we can either stop here or we can go directly through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. So you can see there are a lot of different things that you can do with a pair of sticks, aside from all the fun things you can do with your arms with them, using them as clubs or staff movements. There's all sorts of great things you can do to help regain the strength of your legs, to increase your mobility, your strength, your coordination, and your balance. So take advantage of these valuable tools. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. If you subscribe, hit that notification bell so hopefully you won't miss anything. If you think you might have missed something or you want to look at the old archives, because I've got over 600 videos posted, you can go ahead and just go to Zen Kahuna Reloaded and look at either at the check on videos or look at the playlists if you want something more specific. So whatever you decide to do, make it a wonder-filled day and play.